Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's English listening practice. Our topic is Gratitude Makes Life More Beautiful. In this lesson, you will listen to a heartwarming story and reflection about the power of being thankful. Gratitude means appreciating what we already have, our family, friends, health, and even the simple moments that make life special. When we learn to say thank you sincerely, we see more beauty around us and feel more happiness within. As you listen, try to focus on the words and phrases about positive thinking and appreciation. This lesson will help you improve your English vocabulary, pronunciation, and understanding, while also reminding you how gratitude can make every day brighter and more meaningful. Now, let's begin our beautiful journey into the world of gratitude. Gratitude is one of the most powerful feelings a person can have. It is the simple act of saying thank you and truly meaning it. Gratitude means being thankful for what we have, the people around us, and even the small things that make our lives better every day. When we learn to be grateful, our hearts become lighter, our minds calmer, and our lives more beautiful. Gratitude is more than just words. It is a way of thinking and living. It means recognizing that life is a gift and that every moment, no matter how small, has value. When you feel grateful, you start to notice how many good things you already have. You begin to appreciate the people who care for you, the food you eat, the air you breathe, and even the lessons you learn through challenges. A grateful person does not focus on what they lack. Instead, they focus on what they already have. Gratitude helps us look at life with warmth and positivity. It turns an ordinary day into a special one. It turns problems into lessons and mistakes into opportunities to grow. In our busy world, people often forget to say thank you. We rush from one task to another, from one goal to the next, always thinking about what we need next. A new job, a better phone, more money, or more success. But when we stop and take a deep breath, we realize that we already have so much. Gratitude slows us down and helps us see clearly. Being thankful is not only polite, it is also healthy. Many studies show that people who practice gratitude feel happier, sleep better, and have stronger relationships. Gratitude reduces stress and helps people stay positive, even when life is difficult. It reminds us that even in dark times, there is still light somewhere. There is a strong connection between gratitude and happiness. When you focus on what makes you thankful, you naturally feel happier. You stop comparing yourself to others. You stop wishing for things that others have. Instead, you enjoy what is already in your hands. For example, imagine waking up in the morning and saying to yourself, "I'm thankful for another day." That one thought can change your entire day. You will start to smile more. You will speak kindly to others. You will appreciate the little joys, a warm cup of tea, a kind word, a quiet walk, or the sound of birds singing. Gratitude doesn't mean ignoring your problems. It means seeing that even when life is tough, there are still blessings to count. Happiness grows naturally from this mindset. It's like sunshine shining through the clouds. Gratitude can be practiced anywhere, anytime. You don't need to wait for something big to happen. Here are some simple ways to bring gratitude into your daily life. 1. Start a gratitude journal. Every night, write down 3 things you are thankful for. It could be as simple as "I enjoyed a nice meal," or "I talked to my friend today." Over time, you'll notice your heart feels lighter and more peaceful. 2. Say thank you often. Don't be shy to express your gratitude. Thank the people who help you, your parents, friends, teachers, or coworkers. A sincere thank you can brighten someone's day. 3. Appreciate nature. Look around you. The beauty of trees, flowers, and the sky is a gift. When you pause to admire them, you connect with life in a deeper way. 4. Practice mindfulness. Be fully present in the moment. Enjoy your food, your breath, and your surroundings. Gratitude grows when you pay attention. 5. Help others. When you give, you receive joy. Helping others makes you realize how fortunate you are and fills your heart with warmth. A thankful heart can turn challenges into blessings. Imagine a person who loses their job. Instead of feeling hopeless, they say, "I'm thankful for the skills I learned. This is my chance to start something new." That attitude creates strength and hope. Gratitude helps people recover from loss and disappointment faster. A thankful person also spreads positive energy. When you smile and say thank you, others feel appreciated. Your kindness inspires them to be kind too. Gratitude is like a ripple in the water. One small drop can create many waves. The more you practice gratitude, the more it multiplies around you. Gratitude strengthens relationships. When you appreciate the people in your life, they feel loved and respected. Saying thank you to your parents for their care, to your teachers for their guidance, or to your friends for their support can make your connection even deeper. Sometimes, people forget to appreciate those closest to them. They take kindness for granted, but expressing gratitude reminds everyone that love should not be assumed. It should be celebrated. A family that practices gratitude together becomes more united. A friendship built on appreciation becomes stronger and happier. Even in disagreements, gratitude can help. Instead of focusing on what went wrong, you can remember the good moments shared and say, "I'm thankful for our time together." That simple act can heal wounds and bring peace. Gratitude is not only about saying thank you for good things. It also means learning to be thankful for difficulties. Challenges teach us valuable lessons. Failures make us stronger. Pain makes us more compassionate. For instance, when a student fails a test, they might feel sad at first, but later, they might realize that the failure pushed them to study harder. When they succeed next time, they appreciate their success more deeply. Without struggle, there is no growth, and gratitude helps us see that truth. Gratitude changes how we view the world. It helps us grow from within. It teaches us patience, humility, and resilience. A grateful person does not fear life's ups and downs because they trust that everything happens for a reason. A grateful mind sees beauty everywhere. Even a rainy day becomes meaningful because the rain nourishes the earth. Even a busy day becomes special because it shows that we are alive and active. Gratitude helps us find joy in the ordinary. When we practice gratitude, our thoughts become more positive. We stop complaining. We stop judging. We begin to live with peace and contentment. Life becomes simpler and brighter. We start noticing smiles, laughter, and love all around us. For example, imagine two people walking through the same garden. One person only sees the dirt and insects. The other sees colorful flowers and feels the fresh breeze. The difference is not the garden, it's the mind. A grateful mind sees beauty that others miss. It's easy to feel grateful when everything is going well, but true gratitude is tested when life becomes hard. When you are sick, lonely, or heartbroken, gratitude can seem impossible. Yet those are the times when gratitude is most powerful. In dark moments, even small blessings matter. A caring friend, a soft bed, or a new sunrise. These small things remind us that we are not alone. Gratitude gives us courage to face challenges. It helps us keep hope alive. Many great people in history practiced gratitude during their hardest days. They found strength not in what they lost, but in what they still had. Gratitude is not about ignoring pain. It's about finding light within it. For many people, gratitude is a spiritual practice. It connects them to something greater, to God, the universe, or the flow of life itself. When you say thank you for the blessings around you, you feel harmony with the world. Gratitude can be a form of prayer. When you wake up and say, "Thank you for another day," your heart opens. You begin to see your life as a gift. You start to believe that everything happens for a reason, and that even struggles have meaning. Spiritual gratitude gives deep peace. It helps you trust life, forgive others, and love more freely. It teaches you that true wealth is not in money, but in peace of mind. Gratitude should be taught from a young age. When children learn to say, "Thank you" sincerely, they grow into kind and thoughtful adults. Parents and teachers can encourage children to notice good things each day. For example, ask them, "What made you happy today?" or "Who helped you today?" Simple activities, like drawing what they are thankful for, can also build gratitude. When children learn to appreciate, they become more respectful and generous. They understand that happiness does not come from having everything, but from loving what they have. Gratitude doesn't just change one person, it changes the whole world. Imagine if everyone practiced gratitude daily. There would be less anger, less greed, and more kindness. People would help one another more often. Communities would grow stronger. When you thank someone, you inspire them to be kind to others. That kindness spreads like sunlight. Gratitude builds bridges between hearts. It connects people from different places, languages, and cultures. No matter where we live, the language of gratitude is universal. To live a life of gratitude means to see every moment as a gift. It means waking up each morning and choosing to focus on blessings, not problems. It means forgiving others, letting go of jealousy, and appreciating love. Here are some daily practices to live gratefully. Begin and end your day with thanks. Think of 3 good things every morning and night. Express appreciation often. Write a message, give a compliment, or smile more. Look for the good in people. Everyone has something beautiful inside. Transform complaints into thanks. Instead of saying, "I'm tired of work," say, "I'm thankful I have a job." Enjoy simple pleasures. Life's true beauty often lies in small, quiet moments. When gratitude becomes a habit, life feels lighter, and happiness grows naturally. You will attract more positive energy and people who also appreciate life. Life is not perfect, but gratitude makes it beautiful. It adds color to our days, warmth to our hearts, and meaning to our experiences. Gratitude helps us love more deeply, live more peacefully, and smile more often. A grateful person lives in abundance, not of things, but of joy. When you appreciate what you have, you realize that life itself is a miracle. Every sunrise, every breath, every kind word is a reason to be thankful. So, take a moment now. Think about your life. Think about the people who love you, the lessons you've learned, and the dreams you still hold. Whisper softly, "Thank you." Feel that peace spreading inside you. That is gratitude, the secret that makes life more beautiful. Gratitude is not something we practice once. It is something we live every day. It transforms our minds, our relationships, and our world. When we choose to be thankful, we choose to see life with loving eyes. No matter who you are or where you come from, gratitude can make your life richer and more meaningful. It reminds us that even when times are hard, there is always something to be thankful for. Yes, life becomes more beautiful, not because it changes, but because we do. Gratitude opens our hearts to joy, and joy makes the world shine brighter. Thank you so much for listening to today's lesson. Gratitude makes life more beautiful. I hope this story has touched your heart and reminded you how important it is to appreciate the little things in life. When we live with gratitude, we open our hearts to joy, peace, and kindness. Every smile, every sunrise, and every moment becomes more meaningful. I'm truly grateful for your time and effort in learning English with me today. Remember, every small step you take brings you closer to fluency and confidence. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep finding reasons to say thank you every day. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe for more beautiful English listening stories. See you in the next lesson, and don't forget to stay grateful.